Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Using Python from within Java can be quite powerful and convenient, especially when you want to leverage Python's extensive libraries and frameworks. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the steps to integrate Python code within a Java application using the Jython library, which provides a Python interpreter for Java. Prerequisites. Step 1. Download and install Jython. You can download the Jython jar file from the official website, https://www.jython.org/download.html. Once downloaded, add the jar file to your Java project. You can do this by copying it to your project directory and including it in your class path. Step 2. Create a Java project. For this tutorial, we'll create a simple Java project using your preferred Java development environment, example Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, or NetBeans. Step 3. Writing Java code. Now, let's create a Java class that will interact with Python. Here's an example Java class named PythonIntegration.java. Step 4. Running the Java application. Compile and run the Java application. It should execute Python code within the Java environment. You should see the following output. Explanation. Additional notes. You can pass variables between Java and Python using the set and get methods of the Python interpreter class. You can also use Jython to interact with Python modules and libraries just like you would in a standalone Python script. Make sure to handle exceptions when working with Jython to deal with potential errors in Python code. You can configure the Python environment further by adjusting the PySystem state object. This tutorial demonstrates how to use Python within a Java application using the Jython library. You can extend this approach to create more complex applications that leverage the strengths of both languages. ChatGPT.